Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Delicious and Lecker. Today we are going to make a chocolate cake recipe. The ingredients: flour 200 grams, baking cocoa 30 grams, sugar 100 grams, 3 eggs, milk 125 milliliters, sunflower oil 125 milliliters, vanilla sugar 16 grams, baking powder 30 grams, milk chocolate sprinkles, the zest of 2 lemons. Let's get started. Mix the ingredients using the hand mixer. Grease the cake tin with butter. Add the milk chocolate sprinkles. Then add the mixture in the cake tin. Turn on the oven top and bottom heating with baking temperature 160 degrees. Baking time 30 minutes. Turn the cake pan upside down. See you next time with a new recipe.